Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a Halloween pour. Halloween colors. I'm not into Halloween myself, but I do like the colors, and I thought it could be quite dramatic. So I'm using Prism Violet and what's this one called? These are both Liquitex colors. Brilliant Purple, black, two blacks, and orange. And yeah, I think it could be a very fun pour. So we'll give it a try. I'm going to pour the two purples in side by side. I'm using the polycrylic mix. I don't plan to do any ribbons, but kind of a straight pour, ring pour, jiggle pour. So I'm going to pour these two in side by side. To start with, and then I put a layer of black. And then I think I'll do orange and purple, but let's see. I'll turn it this way since I have that dark purple on that side. Another layer of black. The purples again. Black. More. A layer of orange. Layer of black. I have a little black, a little orange left, and now top it off with the purple, like this one. And use up this one. Okay. Did I mention I'm using the polycrylic mix? I finally got some polycrylic. So there we go. Put the recipe down below and exact colors again. I didn't do any custom mixing, so easy peasy. Here we go. start a little off center. Now moving towards the center. Where are those other colors? Here comes the black. Where's the orange? Oh, here it comes. I love the way that orange looks right now. I hope it stays. Okay. Well, oops. I don't care for this at all, but I like the kind of spookiness of the rest of this. So I'm going to start over here. No, wait a minute. Maybe I should start here and preserve the part I like, and then when I go over here, I can kind of run that off. That's my thinking anyway. So okay. Wow, I kind of like it already, but there's too much paint left on the surface. I don't want to drip on here. This is looking good. I'm going to tilt it some more. Get this orange to perhaps reach one of the edges. Yeah, I could have gotten by with a lot less paint because I'm tilting a lot off, but if I don't, it's going to crack. It's just too much to leave on the surface. But I'm liking the composition better anyway. Let's see. Neighbors are having a spirited basketball game out there. Thank you. Just got a delivery of paint. I have to sacrifice that orange because I'm really liking this light purple look up here. So stretching it out. Okay. I'll do one more little tilt business, then I'll set it down towards you in the orientation I'm seeing and liking. Okay. There we go. That's my Halloween pour. I'm liking this section in here. Very much. And that's kind of fun, those. Yeah, I like that. What I don't like is the orange so much. That part right there, I don't care for that. I don't mind the stripy part over here. But kind of have to have orange in a pour like this, in a Halloween themed pour, I think. So there you have it. Kind of fun. Okay, my friends, until next time, bye.